we will look into the life cycle of project and the product. These are just quick examples that show you how we can divide the project into different phases. So here we're giving an example of a residential building, where it starts with the phase of inception, which is the need of housing, and then we go into the feasibility, prototyping, the development, identifying the suppliers, manufacturing, and commissioning. So this could be phases that project manager would decide to divide the project into. So these are not standard, so it's up to you to divide the project into the phases that you think is are the best way for you to control and manage your project. And although the project manager finishes when the client receives a deliverable, which is here the residential building, the product life will still continue because now it's inhabited and we have operation, which is the maintenance of the building, and then the life cycle of the building, which could be say 50 years, and then it ends with demolishing the house. And new concepts also now in project management, especially when we think about sustainability, is to integrate also the idea of the product and the life cycle of the product into the responsibilities of the project. So you have the project manager also accountable for the type of product that he's delivering and how much the product in its life cycle would impact also the community around it or the clients using it. So this doesn't become the responsibility of the project manager really to take care of the product after it's delivered, but it's his responsibility to make sure the product is product life cycle is taken into consideration while the project is being managed. Another example we can go over is software application, which we have similar phases as we have seen, which is adoption, which could be the need for sales, automation, and integration. And here we're talking about integrating the system into the already existing systems that we have in the company, the developing prototypes, software architecture in-house or outsourced, which is identifying the suppliers, then developing the software and commissioning it and giving user training on it. Again, here you see the difference between the project and product life cycle. So as I mentioned, this could be just as one way of dividing your project into phases, but it's your responsibility and whatever you see appropriate at the time you're doing the project depends on the site and whatever we have in hand. It's up to you to divide the project into the best way